DonJoy IceMan CLASSIC3 Review. Real cold therapy results that actually hold up post-surgery. Have you ever woken up the night after surgery with your joint on fire, reached for your ice pack, and found it completely warm and useless? I have. One melted bag, a soaked towel underneath me, and pain that made sleep impossible. That helpless feeling is something nobody warns you about before the procedure. Drop a comment if that sounds painfully familiar to you. That deep, burning tension in a post-op joint is not something willpower fixes. Gel packs lose their cold in under an hour. Loose ice bags leak everywhere and miss the target area completely. Wrapping yourself in frozen peas is desperation, not recovery. Every common fix felt like a temporary patch over a real problem. There had to be a smarter, calmer, and far more consistent solution available. Here is what surprised me. Do not just pick any cold therapy unit. Make sure it has a true recirculating dual pump system, so you never suffer through uneven, inconsistent pad temperatures that leave one area burning while another barely feels cool again. That is exactly when the DonJoy IceMan CLASSIC3 Cold Therapy Unit entered my recovery routine, and honestly, it felt almost accidental. I was researching post-op tools late one night, barely keeping my eyes open, and found this unit built around a semi-closed loop recirculation design that continuously remixes warmed water back into cooler ice water. Let me be honest, I was initially skeptical, but the results were immediate and clear. The dual pump system delivers steady, even cold across the entire pad, rather than a freezing blast at the inlet and barely cool water at the far end. It wraps the knee, shoulder, hip, and ankle with the included universal pad, and body-specific pads are available separately for more targeted coverage. The plug-and-play self-priming setup has you running in minutes with absolutely zero technical frustration. The unit operates quietly enough to use during sleep without interruption and weighs under 8 pounds empty, making it genuinely portable between rooms. A physical therapist noted her patients consistently reported sleeping longer and reaching for fewer pain medications when using motorized cold therapy versus passive ice packs. Results may vary, but the trend is consistently encouraging. Long-term, the DonJoy IceMan CLASSIC3 quietly becomes the centerpiece of a recovery routine that actually moves forward. After consistent daily use, recovery life shifts in a way that feels almost unfair, in the best possible sense. You stop dreading the hours between pain medication doses, because the cold is steady, predictable, and always there when you need it most. You sleep longer, because the motor runs quietly, without breaking your rest. You move through your recovery with genuine confidence, because swelling stays controlled, and pain feels managed, rather than simply survived. Multiple credible voices back that experience directly. Orthopedic surgeon Dr. Tyler J. Brolin of Campbell Clinic at the University of Tennessee stated that continuous cold therapy reduces pain, swelling, and inflammation, and is a valuable asset for post-surgical shoulder recovery. A verified Amazon buyer named Quentin reported that using the DonJoy IceMan CLASSIC3 Cold Therapy Unit reduced his post-surgical pain so significantly he was able to lower his reliance on prescription pain medication. Results may vary, but that outcome reflects a pattern seen across multiple verified reviews. A sports rehab influencer highlighted the freedom to disconnect briefly from the pad, take a short walk, reconnect, and feel relief return almost instantly. From a clinical development angle, the patented recirculation system was built on more than 20 years of cold therapy research and direct patient feedback, a foundation that basic ice packs and budget units simply cannot replicate. Now, the honest limitation worth mentioning, the DonJoy IceMan CLASSIC3 has no built-in on-off switch, so stopping the pump means unplugging the unit manually. Small inconvenience, but worth knowing up front. Regular ice refilling is also required, though insulated ice bags extend cold duration noticeably. Imagine yourself 3 weeks into recovery, sleeping through the night, swelling visibly reduced. What joint are you currently working to recover?
Thousands of post-surgical patients and physical therapy professionals already trust the DonJoy IceMan CLASSIC3 Cold Therapy Unit as their daily recovery essential for consistent, manageable cold therapy that genuinely works. The transformation is straightforward: less pain, reduced swelling, longer uninterrupted sleep, and a recovery timeline that moves forward with purpose rather than stalling in discomfort. If this sounds like exactly what your post-surgery recovery has been missing, the affiliate link is in the description and pinned comment below. Go explore it and give your recovery the support it deserves today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.